Salt Lake City's unique climate demands thoughtful consideration when selecting the right material for your doors. From blazing summers to icy winters, your choice can significantly affect energy efficiency, durability, and aesthetics. Here's your ultimate guide to navigating the options and making an informed decision. Understanding Salt Lake City's climate. Salt Lake City experiences a semi-arid climate with 4 distinct seasons. Summers are hot and dry, with temperatures often exceeding 90 degrees Fahrenheit, while winters bring snow, ice, and temperatures that can dip below freezing. The city's elevation adds to the intensity of UV exposure, further complicating the demands on exterior materials. Your door needs to withstand these extremes while maintaining its integrity and appearance. The wrong material can lead to warping, fading, or poor insulation, ultimately increasing maintenance costs and energy bills. Popular door materials. Pros and cons. When selecting a door material, you must balance durability, energy efficiency, aesthetics, and maintenance. Here are the most popular options. Wood doors. Pros. Timeless beauty and natural warmth. Highly customizable with stains, finishes, and carving. Excellent insulator when properly sealed. Cons. Susceptible to warping and swelling due to moisture. Requires regular maintenance to prevent weather damage. Prone to fading under Salt Lake City's intense sunlight. Best use. Ideal for covered entryways or homes with a traditional aesthetic, provided you're committed to maintenance. Steel doors. Pros. Highly durable and resistant to weather extremes. Energy efficient when paired with foam core. Affordable compared to wood. Cons. Prone to dents and scratches. Requires rust-proof coatings to prevent corrosion. Limited in design versatility. Best use. Great for homeowners seeking a cost-effective, secure, and energy-efficient option. Fiberglass doors. Pros. Highly resistant to warping, cracking, and denting. Excellent insulator, reducing energy costs. Versatile designs mimic wood grain and other textures. Cons. Higher upfront cost compared to steel. May fade over time without UV protective coating. Best use. Ideal for Salt Lake City's variable climate, offering durability and low maintenance. Aluminum doors. Pros. Lightweight yet sturdy. Resistant to rust and corrosion. Available in modern, sleek designs. Cons. Poor insulator without thermal breaks. Can dent or scratch easily. Best use. A solid choice for modern homes in mild climates, but less suitable for Salt Lake City's temperature extremes without proper insulation. Glass doors. Pros. Floods interiors with natural light. Enhances curb appeal with modern aesthetic. It's customizable with frosted, tinted, or decorative glass. Cons. Poor insulator without double or triple glazing. Vulnerable to break-in. Requires regular cleaning. Best use. Excellent for patio or rear doors, provided they are double or triple glazed for insulation. Key considerations for Salt Lake City. When choosing a door material, keep these factors in mind. Energy efficiency. Salt Lake City's temperature swings demand doors with high insulation properties. Look for materials with low U values and consider options with foam cores or multi-pane glass for optimal energy efficiency. Durability. Extreme weather conditions can wreak havoc on doors. Opt for materials resistant to warping, cracking, and UV damage. Fiberglass and steel are particularly durable choices. Aesthetics. Your door is a focal point of your home's exterior. Choose a material and finish that complements your architectural style while offering lasting beauty. Maintenance. High-maintenance doors, such as wood, may look stunning but require regular upkeep. Consider how much time and effort you're willing to invest in preserving your door's appearance and functionality. Budget. While cost is important, think long-term. Investing in a high-quality, durable door may save you money on repairs, replacements, and energy bills in the future. Recommendations for Salt Lake City homeowners. Entry doors. Fiberglass or steel doors are excellent for front entrances due to their durability, energy efficiency, and aesthetic versatility. Patio doors. Consider insulated glass doors with UV protective coatings for style and functionality. Storm doors. Add an extra layer of protection against winter drafts and summer heat with a durable storm door. Conclusion. Choosing the right door material for Salt Lake City's climate is essential for comfort, cost efficiency, and curb appeal. While wood offers classic charm, fiberglass and steel excel in durability and energy performance. Evaluate your needs, consider your budget, and prioritize materials that can endure the city's climate challenges. A well-chosen door will enhance your home's beauty and functionality for years to come.